Every day, we wake up with a mind of positivity and hope of peace and happiness. We plan as best as we can to create the type of day we want. We create the right mindset and energy before stepping into the world and stay focused towards the results we want. We can control where to go, who to be with, and what to do throughout the day. But there is something in the world which we cannot control, that is, facing toxic or negative people. No matter how much we adapt to Zen mode, these people always bring negative vibes around us. You can ignore by convincing yourself that everyone has a bad day now and again, but when it keeps repeating, then it's hazardous to us as they only aim to drain our optimism. The easiest way to deal with them is the art of not reacting to negativity. Let's see how we can learn this art. First one, take a deep breath and smile more. Smiling is a simple and best way to show a negative person that nothing can harm your inner peace. Smiling will automatically calm your mind and let them know that your smile is so contagious. Behave productively. Negative people can bring out the worst in us if we are not careful. Sometimes, certain pessimists seem to have the power to raise our blood pressure for one reason or another. It's very easy to blame others saying she makes me mad or she provokes me. But be wise to choose your right behavior before they could take advantage of your mood change and the situation. No arguments policy. One of the most important things I learned is not to debate with a negative person. A negative person isn't going to change that just because of what you said. Whatever you say, he or she can find 10 different reasons to back up his or her viewpoint. The discussion will just pull yourself down in the process. So, it's better to be silent. If the above one doesn't work, follow this. Reduce contact with them or avoid them. It's not healthy to spend too much time with people who drain you. Your time is so precious, so spend it with people who have positive effects on you. And finally, learn the lesson and let it go. When situations are not in our control, just try recollecting your mind about the negative comments or feedback you had received from the toxic people. Think twice or thrice if there is any takeaway from them. However, if you found it useless, then flush it off and move ahead. Act smartly by engaging your thoughts to something useful, as your aspirations are waiting for you to grab them. Remember, karma is a boomerang. Today or now may not be favorable to you, but negative person will come to their own realizations in time. So stop worrying and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please share, comment for any suggestions and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.